All right, y'all. Unedited, pretty much raw. I'm out here running this real quick. So I did put the headlights on there, as I told you guys in another video. They are actually really bright and they look good. Traxxas probably should have included that with this, but they're probably just doing it as a money ploy to make more money for people. But I showed you guys to get that part number, basically the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 lights, and just install those on there and probably save yourself about 15, 20 more bucks. The kit only costs about $15 or so with it. But I wanted to do a quick run. You may hear some clicking noise because I do have, that didn't do too much better. I tried to turn my flash on. I'm gonna run this just slightly out so you guys can see it. The lights are really bright. They put more of a glare on camera than anything, but this is actually, ran over something there. This is actually perfect as it is. What I will be doing is I will be painting that bed black on there, and that's probably all I'm gonna do. I'll take this off-road at some point. And I got the stock gearing back in here too. Let's see if this looks a little bit better all the way over. It's not giving too much of a glare. Nah, it's still glaring. It looks more like it's glaring here in the light, but it's really not. It's just a reflection from the camera and stuff. And I can't get a good angle. Like right there is pretty good. But when I start going down lower, you guys see that. But if you are a Traxxas fan or a Traxxas fanboy, which there's nothing wrong with, you like what you like, and you like the Slash, I do recommend getting this. It's not an LCG chassis, but it still performs well. I actually always think that the regular Slash actually performs better than the LCG, especially for off-roading and stuff. I know why they did it, which is fine, but I always like the original platform that was a little bit high up. So this is kind of in between the two. It's not as low as the LCG chassis, but it's not as high as the regular Slash. And I got a review coming up pretty soon once I take this off-road and decide to get it dirty. But I've been kind of mostly running this on-road a lot, and the tires have held up well. Look how that leans. And that's one of the reasons why I'm not getting GTR shocks yet, because I love that lean. I haven't put a sway bar on it yet. You guys heard a little body rub there. But this looks good though. I ain't gonna lie. With these lights right here, I don't even think I need any lights in the rear of it because it's fine as it is. I don't need brake lights and all that. Some people may get it and get one just for a shelf queen, which is fine. But this is the kind of truck that you can kind of drive all night. I say get fans, which they should have given you for the ESC definitely, and for the motor. That's something you're gonna have to get. Either that or gear down. Because the reason why this vehicle is overheating, people are saying it's got the same gearing as the Slash, was the 13-tooth pinion gear. But you guys got to remember that the tire diameter is bigger than the Slash. So even though it's not too much larger, it's still large and it's still going to create heat. And it's a little bit heavier than the Slash too. And the airflow is not going through the body as much as it does the Slash platform either. So that's why everyone's experiencing overheating when they're taking this off-road, running it stock out the box on 3S. But get some fans on the motor and the ESC, which is what I did. I stopped taking off-road and see, and have some fun. You don't have to do the lights in the front like I did, but I think it's something that you should do. If you're gonna bash, I'd be skeptical on using these lights and bash, because you got to really secure them in there. Mild jumps and stuff would be good, but I think if you're going to bash, you might want to just have a different body for that. Which I'll be looking at body options soon for this too, but I kind of just like this as it is. You know, some people don't like Ford. I have a Ford SUV and I have a Corvette. So I love my SUV 100% and I love my Corvette 100%. They both do what they're supposed to do. So that's what I care about. And it's not like, as some people say, it's not like this performs like a Ford. I mean, I haven't had any problems with Fords. I mean, I've only had a few in my whole entire life, but this looks good, guys. I'm not even gonna continue. I'm gonna run this actually some, because this is the kind of vehicle that I can take out for myself and I can just run it all night. I got a 7200 milliamp battery in there. It's giving me about 40 plus minutes of runtime. So I can run this, and that's just what I'm gonna do. I got some time to myself. I can woosah. It's about 80 degrees out here on a summer night still and I can just run this and just enjoy it. I really can. And don't have to worry about overheating problems, and I can run it out here. And these tires, like I said, they haven't really worn down too much. You guys see the tires there. I mean, they show somewhere, but I'll have to probably rotate them around at some point, but it'll still be good to run out here. But anyway, wanted to run this to you guys. Last thing I'll probably do is I might get sway bars for it. I did have a little body rub here on the side. You guys see right there, which kind of sucks. I maybe just put a sticker. Maybe that's some of those decals they put in the box to kind of cover that up. But other than that, this has been actually good and fun. I know it's expensive, but ooh, I got a body rub there. No, I thought it was a body rub there too. That's just a decal. But it's been fun for it. So anyway, just wanted to show this to you guys out here at night. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching.